Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Hello again, my name is Fafa Gilbert and welcome to my creative African cooking channel Ndudu by Fafa.
And today on the menu we do have this beautiful Hausa Koko recipe. Now this is silky smooth, spicy and delicious, a must try. Now Hausa Koko is actually made out of millet. Now millet is alkaline, which actually means that it's easier to actually digest. Now millet also hydrates your colon and it's gluten-free. So this would help lower and maintain a good cholesterol level because it's rich in vitamin B3 as well and a good source of protein. Now this porridge is aptly named Hausa Koko because it originates from the northern part of Ghana and it's made by the Hausas. So thank you very much for this because it is the great breakfast I think to actually have, especially when you're in Ghana. So it's a must try, definitely. Let's click that box. To start, you would actually need your African nutmeg, you need cloves, you need some guinea peppers as well, ginger, which gives it that kick, as well as your grains of psyllium or wintia and black peppercorns. So you know where this is going, it's aromatic and spicy at the same time. To start preparing this dish, you actually need to ferment your millet. Now the reason why you do ferment it, it gives it that slight tanginess to the porridge, which is just great. So I've actually soaked these millets for 3 days, and each day I did change the water. And on the third day, I've just washed it till it's clean. So I've got 200 grams of my fermented millet, and I've got 400 milliliters of water. Now, you can actually reduce the amount of water if you actually want a thicker consistency to, let's say, about 300 milliliters. I've added my spices, including half a teaspoonful of chili powder, but that's optional, and I've blended everything into this beautiful consistency. So I'm actually now using my strainer to actually strain the juice out of the chaff. Now this is optional. I mean, the authentic way is to actually strain it as we do. But if you prefer to keep it chaffing, which is also good for your gut anyway, then you omit this altogether. But yes, you strain this beautiful juice out of the chaff. So we're doing the separation. Look how beautiful and creamy it looks. This is not any other food. This is Ndudu. So yes, let's see. After extracting the juice out of the chaff, reserve your chaff because you can actually use it as a flour or as a base for making your cookies. So there's no waste here. So now place your strained juice, beautiful millet juice, on a low heat. Add your salt, and I'm just going to cook this on a very low heat. So I have got a recipe here on my YouTube channel for Hausa Koko as well, and the process that I used was that of an indirect heat. That was like a Bang Marie thing. You need to check it out. I'll leave a link at the top so you can also check that out. But I'm cooking this directly on the heat, so that's the difference. And I'm actually maintaining or controlling that heat, so it's important that you cook it on a low heat. So just keep mixing because it thickens up. Now, if you actually want it thicker, you need to reduce the amount of water that you use, which is, I think 300 milliliters will be great. But I like it a little bit on the runny side because I do enjoy it with my kose, yes, and I just like it that way. So you could just thicken it out, but I think this is just beautiful and it's ready. It is ready, you see. Now all you need to do is just add your sugar as you want, serve it. Drink it. Get your PINKASO or get your kose or bowl flute or your bread and sit in a corner. This is not any other food. This is Ndudu. Now you would find the PINKASO recipe as well here on my YouTube channel, as well as the kose and bowl flute recipes. I'll leave links at the top for you to enjoy. I hope you're inspired to try this recipe. And yes, thank you again for joining me. I appreciate it. You will find the transcript of this recipe, including the list of ingredients and measurements, on my blog, ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com. I'm also on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as Ndudu by Fafa. So do pass by and say hi. Until next time, be nice, be beautiful, be you, and guess what? I love you. Take care of you. Toodles.